Hello, I hope you're doing really well. This is Emma. I've got something a little different for you today, something that fascinates me, and I thought that maybe it might some of you as well. I hope you enjoyed this. Let's go through the books.
Today, I'm excited to introduce Spooky2, a Rife frequency machine inspired by nature's soothing frequencies, like those from the woods or ocean, to promote balance and healing. Spooky2 offers cutting-edge wellness solutions and supports global charities through the Spooky2 Global Aid Foundation. I tried its PEMF feature during a cold and found it gentle yet effective. With a personalized biofeedback program, it left me calm, rejuvenated, and feeling better. Spooky2 provides a simple, natural way to enhance your wellness at home. If you're seeking balance and better health, it's definitely worth a try.